Just before we start, I wanted to assure you that you're in the right place. If you genuinely want to share your skill, not for the money, but to make someone else's life better, then you're definitely in the right place. You may have some self-doubts though, which is totally normal. So let's address some doubts that you might have so you can start this journey with the right headspace. You may be worried that you're not an expert. Everyone has something to offer though. I learn things from my kids all the time and they don't walk around claiming to be an expert. The truth is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to know a little bit more than those you are teaching. And actually, it's more about being able to see from your student's perspective so you can understand the journey they need to take. You may even be wondering why people would pay for your course when they could probably search the internet to get the information for free. Well, it's because the information on the internet is everywhere and in no particular order, and it's not specific to their needs. The value you'll be offering is a high quality course that is perfect to their needs, that will save them time and money and will change their lives in a positive way. That's what they will pay for. You may even be concerned that there's already courses out there on what you want to teach. That's a good sign actually. And besides, your course will have you and you're going to make an awesome course. Your audience is going to love it. You may be worried it's a lot of work creating a course. Yes, it is. There's no doubt about that. But I will lay out a smart way to get through it. The fact that it's hard work though is good because it means there's a barrier of entry to separate you from your potential competition. Also keep in mind that once you've created your course, you can actually sell it and make money while you're sleeping. Besides the time you need to invest, you might be worried about the financial costs of setting up and running a course business. The good news is that many of the things you need you probably already have on hand, like your phone, and there are low-cost options to run your course business. You may choose though to invest in some gear to get your quality on point, and as your course business grows, return some of that earnings into your growth. There's a massive need for online training and it's growing. Creating courses can be a business in itself, a great way to promote your business or a great side hustle alongside your other interests. It will allow you to connect with people with similar interests and in the process only make you better at your craft. So get out of your head, cast all doubts aside, be authentically you, and please share your gift by creating a course to make someone's life so much better. That's the opportunity.